What exactly does the .join method do? I'm pretty new to Python and am completely confused by .join, which I have read is the preferred method for concatenating strings. I tried and got something like. Why does it work like this? Shouldn't the 595 just be automatically appended?
Join is for concatenating all list elements. For concatenating just two strings, plus would make more sense.
Join takes an iterable thing as an argument. Usually it's a list. The problem in your case is that a string is itself iterable, giving out each character in turn. Your code breaks down to this, which acts the same as this, and so produces your string. Strings as iterables is one of the most confusing beginning issues with Python.
Look carefully at your output. I've highlighted the 595 of your original string. The Python join method is a string method and takes a list of things to join with the string. A simpler example might help explain. The comma is inserted between each element of the given list. In your case, your list is the string representation 595, which is treated as the list 595. It appears that you are looking for plus instead.
To append a string, just concatenate it with the plus sign. E.g., join connects strings together with a separator. The separator is what you place right before the join. E.g., join takes a list of strings as a parameter.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.